Hello everyone, my name is Falabedi Afalabijan. I want to show you how to make use of marketing video maker. If you want to make marketing videos, you use this app, Marketing Video Maker. So click on it. I haven't done that. Look at the template. You have different templates. You have Jordan fashion. You have unlock your self-styles, social media marketing, etc. etc. Now, let's go for this social media marketing. Click on it. The template is already there. Only what you need is to supply the necessary info. So the template is downloading. Click on edit. So look at the template now. We have 4. You can edit what you want in that template now. Now look at social media marketing. So just start your business now. Jump and start your business now. So you can edit it. You provide a services marketing platform for your business. So the services. Now let's assume I want to edit something there. So I'll click here. You click this place. I haven't seen it. Click here. You have seen what you do. The drop link. Click on edit. And if I want this page now to duplicate, I'll click on duplicate. If I don't need that, I'll click delete. So now I click on text. So type something. So I can remove what we have here. I'll put this, expand it. And for this, I can change the size, the color. Can use white, font size. Look at the different style. I think I'll go for this. So I may delete this one. Let's put this. I may add more text. Click on here. I'm coming. I'll click shape here. The shape is here. I'll click it. And we have basic shape, circle shape, paper shape, etc. Oval shape. So, which one should I go for? All these ones are not free. Promo shape. You have to pay for it. So let me go to the free one. Basic shape. But this circle is still free too. Let me use this. Let me use this. So we can put something inside. After this, what else can you put inside? Okay, you can put my art, like logo, etc. But you can add something to it. So let's go back. You can put text. So let me go on. Now let's assume this is what I want. After this, click on save. Click on save. Pick the one you want. As for the first one, the second one, if you want to edit it, you come, you click here too. You edit it. To the same pattern. When you are done, you click saved. Until you get to the end of what you are doing. So like this third one, I would like to edit the text. I want to add to the text. I want to add to the text. YouTube Manager. Where is it? Okay, here is it. Let me change the color. So let us want to edit this. I can put and then as many as possible. So let's remove. Let's go back to that test. Okay, let me erase this one. Okay, let us know this is what I want. I want to remove that YouTube manager, but it's proving stubborn. It's wasting my time. So the next thing now, click save. Click this. So the last one now, the same procedure. Edit. So I will need to edit the phone number, and I will need to edit this one too. So I will need to remove this. Edit this one. So I will put my own phone number. So after that, click on saved. So click on next. Click on the file. No, this one. The first one. Default auditor. Status. Still loading. Okay. Initially, I've removed one watermark today, and then you can only remove one watermark per day for free. So if I want to remove another one, I have to pay. That's why you're showing me this. So it's exporting now. No, done and dusted now. You can compress it, you can share. Let us I want to share it. So I don't need to share it yet. If you want to share it, click here. If you want to compress here, other things like that.
I need that.
So we are done with that. If you want to see my works, all my work, I will go to my video. At this corner here, my video. So this is my video. Already downloaded.